this is the last time y'all gonna see the Nismo with the silver wheels, man. YouTube, what is up, everybody? It's your boy Nick Stacks, back at it again with another video. And today we up early in the morning, man, because Nizzy is getting a new look yet again. So your boy picked up some new wheels for Nizzy yet again. Silver RPFs will be for sale. If you guys know what wheels they are, comment down below what you think they are. I've been looking for these wheels before I got these. Pretty much the new wheels I got is pretty much similar to these. It's just a different variant. If you know what I'm talking about, if you really know me, if you watch the vlogs, you know what wheels they are. Same wheels, different color. Not gonna spoil it. Let's get on the road. Let's get to my homeboy's house. He's gonna be helping me transfer the wheels because the wheels have tires on it, and I can't carry wheels in the Nismo, you know, barely any space. And also it is cold as shit outside. So yeah, let me get on the road and I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. So I pretty much bought Sbc Rpf1s, black chrome Rpf1s. I've been wanting those before I got these silver ones, and they just popped up on Marketplace for a steal, so I couldn't resist. So what I did was bought those, and I'm gonna sell the ones I have on my car now and pretty much try to break even or profit if I could. So right now, like I said, I got the silver ones on my car, and sadly my cousin pretty much picked up the SBCs for me in Tampa, and we're gonna go to his house, and he's pretty much, well, my friend's gonna pretty much help me bring them to the tire shop, because like I said, I don't have really any space in this car to be bringing wheels with tires. If they were just rims, they would fit, but rims with tires, they do not fit. Just made it to the cousin's house. Time to show y'all the wheels. See what these fucking wheels look like. If you haven't seen the Cuzzo's car, it's been out of commission in a minute. And no shit is dusty, cuz. And a nice wash though, they gonna be. On your car? Sheesh, some bitches is dirty. Came with some fucking lug nuts. Last time y'all gonna see Nizzy with them silver joints. Them boys caught me, man. That boys. But we good to go, man. Boy, give me a fucking Nismo. Niggas always want to stop me from my fucking tow bag. Nigga, this motherfucking tow bag be getting me in trouble. I'm tired. I'm tired of it. Fucking piece of shit. God damn it. Fucking tow bag. We gotta warn the boys. We got to go. Stop fucking around, nigga. Back on the road we go to get these motherfucking wheels. The crackers almost took me up the road, man. You know I had that fire on me though. Alright guys, this is the last time y'all gonna see the Nismo with the silver wheels, man. We're here at SG Auto Works, about to go in, and put the new wheels on the car. Stay tuned. You're here at SG Auto Works, man. Back outside, boys. Tell them cops they could suck on my cock.
No kissing.
What happened? What? I just got pulled over on the way over here. What's what? I need new struts. I'm going air suspension soon, man.
Look, man. Tell this nigga to get some fucking 3 pieces, alright?
Yeah, soon.
Wait, you got pulled over on the way here for me?
Yeah, bro, for my exhaust. And the boys on fine. If y'all need any wheel, tires, rims, anything for wheels, man, make sure y'all hit up SG Auto Works. Best in Kissimmee, best in Central Florida, hands down. As you can see, they're gonna get you right. They're gonna install your tires without curb rashing your wheels. They're gonna get you right. No damage. Best in the game.
The black one right there.
Need one of these in my life. Sheesh. The owner of the shop's daily driver, man. Best shop, man. SG Auto Works. Y'all see it. Everything you need right there. And get your wheels treated right. And we got a new 2024 Civic. Or Accord, I don't fucking know. Shit look tough though. These niggas tweaking.
Yo, what's good? Yo, what are we doing here today?
You tell me.
I'm gonna throw these 2 tires away.
Yeah.
Because to be honest, bro, I'm gonna keep it a bug. Ain't nobody gonna buy those off.
What's up, man? Live in the flesh. What the fuck going on?
Yeah, you know what? I want 1,200 for these, and I'll sign them myself, bro. Sign yourself.
These are still good for a flip to sell.
No flip?
245, 44.
No flip?
Them shit's dusty. The real question is if this nigga could fit all this shit in his car. I could fit.
Nah, it's just
I could probably fit the tires in my shit.
225 on that wheel.
Oh, let's start fucking. Alright, guys. Hold on, let me show y'all.
big difference.
They just need to clean up. They're a little,
Yeah, I'm just taking the.
little dusty.
Just taking the wheels with it. What's the wheel?
Te la goma vieja como quiera.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Huh?
No, wait, what?
Te la goma vieja.
Yeah, because you want to leave those on.
That's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be keeping these bad boys right here. It's like a little, nah, there's a little black button on there. Yeah, they can fit. Where's the other one at? Oh, right there.
So what is this? This is the first gen Nismo?
Yeah, 350Z.
Okay. Because now it's 370, right? Nismo?
Yeah.
But this is,
This
I'm
one's,
assuming this is a little bit more rare because it's the first.
1,500 in the world.
Unless I put it in the
Bags coming soon.
Shit.
Worth
money, bro.
Coming soon.
This shit on the floor is
About
gonna
to
look
sell
dope.
it though.
The
gamma
5-spoke, the
blue shit?
6-spoke, which style?
57 DRs.
Okay. So they look like
18 by 10 and a half.
like the
plus-
TE?
Yeah. Like the TE.
That's what you're running right now. Right now, when the car goes down, you notice the difference. Like it's gonna say flush. You got me? It's gonna say flush. You might. Car's not that low. Mine's not that low,
Stock,
so
yeah, stock suspension.
so you might maybe need to roll, but not even. If it's stock suspension, you're good. And the thing with these cars, when they go down, they go in a little bit. You know what I'm saying? It's like a little
Grandma's come plus 15? I'm gonna call you.
How you like it?
Back in business, man. She just need a little clean, but this is what I needed, bruh. That shine, that sprinkle, sparkle. What the hell? Here we have the old wheels cleaned up, ready to sell. And I just washed the Z. I'll show you guys what she's looking like. Give you a little sneak peek. Show you guys what she's looking like when I get to my little spot. Alright guys, we just got to the spot. Are you guys ready to see the wheels with the car clean? Here we go. Here is my 350Z Nismo with SBC Chrome Rpf1s. Specs are 18 by 9.5 in the front, 18 by 10.5 in the rear. I am on stock height, stock suspension. So yeah guys, let me know what you guys think. I know you guys seen that first video of me getting the wheels and I'm talking about how I always wanted SBC Rpf1s. They just look so much better on the black. The chrome just pops way more. I don't know, I love it. Let me know what you guys think below. Do you guys like the SBC look? I feel like with the SBC, right, it just fits with the bottom part of the Nismo, if that makes sense. Like the lip all the way around on the rear, on the, let me show you guys from the rear too. Get an all around look. Yeah, I'm in my spot. Sheesh. She look good. She just needs some lowering. Stay tuned. We will be doing something to the Nismo real soon. It's either gonna make a lot of people hate me or love me. So yeah guys, let me know what you guys think. Do y'all like the SBC Rpf1s? Or do you guys like the simple, sleek, silver original Rpf1s more? Comment down below, let me know, SBC or silver. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure you guys slap that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe. Your boy is back on his YouTube shit. I know I always say this, but your boy finally got a new mic, new lens, new everything, new car. So stay tuned, man. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's your boy Nick Stacks. I'm out. Peace.